Your business runs on hundreds of different tools. Customers live in Salesforce, payments in Stripe, conversations in Slack, tickets, deploys, and docs scattered across SaaS apps that were never built to talk to one another. TextQL connects to all of them and lets you deploy AI agents across all the tools your business uses. Anna connects to any tool with a REST API. It pulls customers from Salesforce and HubSpot, code and tickets from GitHub and Linear, knowledge from Notion and Slack, and hundreds of other tools like these. If your business depends on it, Anna can use it. Under the hood, Anna works from a secure Python sandbox, writing and running code to call the exact endpoints for each question she needs. But here's where it matters. Your credentials are never exposed to the agent. Every request runs through a secure API proxy, making it so that Anna can reach any REST API without risking your credentials. Here's where it comes together. You can ask one question and Anna will pull from all the tools at once. Anna stitches them together as if they were all in one table. Setup takes minutes. For the most common tools, TextQL ships pre-built connectors. You can pick your provider, paste in the key, and you're off. If you need something else, the custom connector reaches any REST API. Define the host, the auth headers, the expiry date, and it's live. We also support OAuth if you'd like to connect by signing in explicitly with your provider. Or you can just ask Anna. Tell her what you'd like to connect, and she'll build it with you right in the chat, walking you through every step, including the ones that you need to perform on the provider site. Every connector is permissioned and shareable down to the individual user, with a full audit trail of what was accessed and when. Security teams stay in control, while the people asking questions never have to think about any of it. Every tool you run on is available in TextQL. Ask any question across your SaaS stack, and Anna will be able to help.